Hours of rest. The Hours of Rest module allows the user to keep their hours of rest up to date directly on the system or in the iPad application. This instructional video will show you how to log and submit your hours of rest for each month. Let's begin with the web application. To complete your hours of rest using the web application, first you select Hours of Rest from the navigation panel. Your form will open and display your name, your position, the month and year of the form you're completing, and whether you are a watchkeeper or not. Each cell represents half an hour, so by clicking one cell, you are logging half an hour of work. By clicking on the Multi-Select button, you can check multiple cells by simply clicking and dragging your cursor over the cells to mark them. Once complete, click on the last cell and the Multi-Select button will turn off. The same process applies to the Multi-Deselect button. The right-hand side columns calculates the hours worked and hours rested in a 24-hour period, as well as how many hours of rest you had in the last 7 days. If your work time exceeds the limits set in the MLC guidelines, the respective cell will automatically turn red. You can save your progress and continue filling it in later, or if completed, you can submit the form for review by the onboard admin. If you submit a form with exceeded limits, a notification email is automatically sent to the onboard admin and the DPA should there be one. It is important to note that the following month's hours of rest form will not display until the onboard admin has verified and confirmed your previously submitted form. Now, let's take a look at how to fill in the hours of rest on the iPad app. First, log in to the iPad app using your own credentials. Tap the department you're in. Then, tap on the chevron tab to pull out the menu bar. Tap on the Hours of Rest button to open your Hours of Rest form. Once open, you can tap the individual cells on the screen to tick each half an hour worked, or tap the Multi-Select button and drag your finger over the cells to highlight and tick multiple cells at once. To remove any unwanted ticks, simply tap on an already ticked cell, or tap the Multi-Deselect button and drag your finger across the unwanted ticks to remove them all at once. When ready, you can save the form to continue later or submit a completed form by clicking here and entering your password. If you have questions, please contact support@superyachtos.com.